In this video, I'm going to show you how to send gift message in Instagram. You've probably seen people sending you gift messages on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to send one. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see the message icon and tap on it. Then continue to select the friend that you want to send this gift message. In this case, I'm going to send it to this one. In the message box, I'll continue to tap on hello. Beside it, you see a search box. Continue to tap on it. Allow it a moment to finish loading. Of course, it has synchronized tons of stickers and Giphy for you. So all you have to do is to tap on this one, and that's it. The message has been sent. So in the event the recipient received this message and tap on it, there you are. The gift message has been received. Let me demonstrate it again. And then this time I'm going to type how are you, and then beside it again I'm going to tap on this set, and then make sure to select this one. As you correctly see, it has been sealed with this. So all the recipient has to be done is just to tap on it, and that's it. You have successfully sent gift message in Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.